Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here at the Fall Crud Run. We got a CBX here, 354, another Triumph, customized Harley Davidson. That's a KTM there. They have interesting design on there, made over in Europe. There's a Harley Davidson with a 114. The crowd is packed in. Last year, they were able to park across the road there in that lot. But as you can see, they're putting in a new lot now all of a sudden this time of year. They got a BMW here for sale. Doesn't say a price on it. And there's an old HC650 Yamaha. It's an older one. They brought the dogs. The Goldwing. Oh, I see. They got the dogs in the back. That's a trailer for the dogs. Oh, that's cool. We got another. Guess the miles, he says on here. What the side name? 100,000 miles, sir. 100,000 miles.
His bike, you have to ask him.
It says guess. I just guessed. Okay. A Harley Davidson.
I didn't know you were in the market for a bike, or are you always in the market for a bike? Usually I want to.
There's a Kawasaki, the KLR, famous 650 for its dependability. We got a Triumph, a Speed Twin, and a Aprilia, and another Aprilia. They stick together, those drivers. Okay. Is this your bike?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Oconomowoc.
Oconomowoc. Is this your first crowd run or?
Yeah.
Yeah, have fun. The wind is a little bit of an issue.
Oh.
He's got the 1290 Adventure. He's ready for some serious off-roading. Don't tell me you're going to take...
I know you're talking, but I couldn't hear what you're saying.
No, don't, it's not important. Because I'm talking to my phone. So are you taking the back... Are you going to take the trails to Pine Bluff? Even though we're in Pine Bluff? I mean, to Leland?
If there are any legal trails to get there, I might.
I'm just joking. It's all good. Okay. A BMW. A couple custom paint jobs here. That looks nice. So who is that? Is that the Joker?
Ozzy Osbourne, ain't it?
He says it's Ozzy Osbourne?
I think so.
It could be. It's not the Joker. The Joker movie is out right now. It looks like raw horsepower. He stuck some dollars in here. Custom wheels. Yeah. Show me the money. And he's got some chrome pieces on there. All right. Then we got the fishtail exhaust on this Harley here. Everybody loves the fishtails. Oh, they're starting to park over on the gravel. That's over full. It's overrun with motorcycles. That's what it's all about here, folks. This is the Crud Run, the Slimey style. I don't know whoever they came up with that name, but don't forget to subscribe to this old guy. Today is my 66th birthday. Imagine that. You got it. You know, today is my birthday. It's your birthday. And I don't think I'm going to do any partying today. It's a KTM. A Buell Blast. Those are, you can't, those sell real cheap. And then there's Indian Scout. It's kind of a different bike. That's not a ruin, is it? Honda makes this like a ruin. That is. This could be. Some of these guys come from a long ways away. Like this guy, he came from Europe. I mean, he's got the. Oh, it says Wisconsin license. I'm wrong. Sorry.
Apparently he's been around.
Although it has a Bing carburetor, right? That's where they got the name for that search engine, from these carburetors. That Bing internet site. Does it look like I give? It says on the side. Look at all these patches on here for where he's been. Skagway. That's Canada. Oh, it is all Canada?
No, we got banned from like weeds.
Okay, cool. These guys that own these bikes, they put on a lot of miles. There it is again, the 1800 BMW. There's maybe two of them here. They're kind of expensive. Okay. All kinds of cool stuff. Even exotic dogs. They say these guys. What kind of dog is that?
It's a Labradoodle.
A Labradoodle? It's good. All right. I'm going to come up here and get a view over here. See the bikes are packed in. That little bit of wind doesn't bother these people. Okay. We'll down here. The dog, she had a leash on it, and the dog is strong, and they pulled her right over. She's the one that has the Euro with the sidecar. Yeah, that was pretty exciting. Well, not really. It was bad. Lucky she's all right. She's a tough girl. Okay. I wanted to get up here so I could get a view. You can see there's cars down on the road there. There's thousands of people there. They have bingo here at the Red Mouse. Cars are parked out on, the motorcycles are parked all along the road here. And then they were all the way down to the end there last time I was here. Parked all the way down there. You don't have to have a motorcycle to come to this, folks. Some more coming in. The variety, Honda Crotch Rock, Off-Road, KTM, a Can-Am, BMW GS. Everybody has their own choice, folks. Wherever you want to ride, it's totally up to you. All right, thanks, folks.